there. Yeah.
Full-blown rain.
Full-blown rain.
We got the storms tomorrow, and we're likely going to see some rain lingering into Thursday morning and midday as a cold front moves on through. But the rain Thursday is going to be a cold rain as temperatures will stay in the 50s. So yeah, not a pretty start to the day Thursday. Then we finally clear up by Friday, and the weekend looking nice. But again, we are watching that risk of severe weather for tomorrow. 70 degrees right now, very humid as well, 90% humidity. Might even have a bit of patchy fog in a few locations. Winds are out of the south at around 9 miles an hour, a dew point of 67 degrees. So yes, it is very humid as we continue through the night tonight, and the humidity is going to stay high, obviously, with our rainfall moving in. We're in the 60s, low 70s on both sides of the lake, and not too far away is the colder air, but the front is very slowly moving in our direction as the upper level energy is going to be slow to move through as well. But 44 right now out in Dallas, so the colder air is not too far off. Today's high hit 76 degrees. It was a far warmer afternoon and a more humid day, not the greatest feel as the kind of dampness overtook you. Our record high is 81 degrees. We were not too far off, but 5 degrees away from the record. Again, we're going to stay under cloudy skies for the day today, or the night tonight, tomorrow and Thursday, not really clearing out until we get into Friday, because that's when the upper trough will finally sweep on through. Ahead of that trough, we've had some scattered showers around. Looks like much of the rainfall we've been dealing with today starting to wrap up. A few little light sprinkles here and there on the North Shore. Few more showers along the Mississippi coast south of I-10, and then even around the city some light rainfall, and even that is starting to wrap up. Rainfall totals, we didn't really see much. Again, it was more of a nuisance light rain, with most locations only reporting a few hundredths of an inch of rain, if there was any rainfall at all. Again, the upper level energy with this system is still well off to our west, and this is going to take some time to push on through. In the meantime, we're going to stay on the eastern side of that trough. What does that mean? Well, it's the eastern side that brings us all of that moisture. And as we go through the day tomorrow, again, we'll start to see some thunderstorm development on into Thursday. Notice we are still on the eastern side, so we are going to remain under cloudy skies through Thursday. The trough axis doesn't really push on through until Friday, and that is when we'll finally see clearing skies. Severe weather risk is a slight risk, so a 2 of 5. Mainly it's going to be in the afternoon and evening. Greatest threat from wind and maybe an isolated tornado. We're also going to see some maybe isolated areas of heavy rainfall. Greatest threat looks to be more to the east of our viewing area. 1 to 3 inches of rainfall possible. Localized, we could see some greater amounts. Right now, the only areas under a flash flood watch are the Mississippi counties. As we go through the day, we're going to see more of that rainfall start to add up. And again, those areas where we could see the 2 to 3 range, most of southeast Louisiana probably won't see quite that much in the way of rainfall. Front moves on through, some lingering showers behind it. Again, probably not going to see much activity until we get more into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Lingering cold rain as we get into Thursday. Friday, more sunshine after a cold start in the 30s, maybe even near freezing on the North Shore come Friday.
All right, thanks for